Good morning. This is your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, September 10th. Our key points for the next several days. The Pacific low that brought us showers and thunderstorms yesterday will very gradually shift inland throughout the week, and that's going to keep conditions unsettled into the weekend. So we'll see a continuation of daily chances for showers and thunderstorms, and much cooler temperatures beginning tomorrow, with highs running about 5 to 10 degrees below normal into the weekend. And looking ahead, heading into the middle of the month, we're expecting another low to reach the Pacific coast on Sunday. The details are yet to be sorted out, but it does look like a continuation of an active pattern and above normal precipitation. Our weather risk outlook taking us through the weekend now. We've got slight chances area-wide for showers and thunderstorms today. And tomorrow, at least slight chances across the whole area, with even better chances in the eastern highlands and central mountains. And then Friday through the weekend, slight chances area-wide until we get to Sunday when that next low looks like it's going to reach the coast. Right now, it's looking like best chances will be in the higher terrain, but that's still pretty far out. So we'll sort out those details in the days to come. Current look at satellite imagery, some upper level clouds here, and those clouds are just going to continue to increase the first part of the day. So we'll see mostly cloudy conditions today. High temperatures, they're going to be within just a few degrees of normal for this time of year, and also within a degree to a few degrees of what we observed yesterday. So fairly warm for most areas, generally upper 70s to low 80s in our valleys, and 60s and 70s in the mid to high elevations. And for our wind gusts this afternoon, it's going to be a breezy one. Most areas will max out at around 30 miles per hour, and that's for gusts. But our breeziest conditions will be along our borders with Utah and along the Montana Divide region. And probability of lightning. So the best chances are going to be, as well as for our showers, will be in the higher terrain, especially in the central mountains and our border with Wyoming. Much less chance in the Snake River Plain and areas further south. But as you can see, as we get into the evening, a little bit better chances creep into our CWA. Before that, the storm activity looks like it'll be right on the periphery, but as we get into the evening and overnight hours, we do have better chances in the eastern and southeast highlands here. And low temperatures for tonight, we're expecting widespread upper 40s to low 50s for our lower terrain, and of course cooler in the mountains in the lower 40s. And temperatures for tomorrow, as you can see, quite a bit cooler. So this is when we're going to see temperatures start to get into the 5 to 10 degree below normal range, so plenty of 70s for our highs and 60s in the mid to high elevations. And for wind gusts tomorrow, not quite as breezy as what we're expecting today, but still 15 to 25 miles per hour area-wide. And probability of lightning tomorrow, so better chances area-wide than what we're expecting today. Plenty of 20 to 30% chance across the area, with those same favorite areas as what we saw yesterday in portions of the Central Mountains and portions of the Eastern Highlands. And for our low temperatures tomorrow night, a little bit cooler, but plenty of 40s area-wide. And high temperatures for Friday, pretty similar to what we're expecting for Thursday, plenty of 60s and 70s. And for wind gusts Friday afternoon, nothing too crazy to speak of, generally around 15 miles per hour. And just keep in mind for all the days wind gusts that I've been showing, this is outside of any storms. So we're expecting around 35 to 45 miles per hour for thunderstorm wind gusts with any of that activity each afternoon. And probability of lightning for Friday. Again, some of those same corridors favored, like the Central Mountains, Montana Divide region over into the Driggs area, maybe even further south into south central Idaho as well for Friday. And low temperatures Friday night, fairly similar yet again, maybe a few degrees warmer, but upper 40s across a lot of our lower elevations and in the 30s and 40s in the higher terrain. And looking ahead, like I mentioned, we are looking at models showing that next Pacific low reaching the coast on Sunday. So for our 6 to 10 day, heading into mid to late September, we're looking at above normal precipitation favored, but also above normal temperatures favored as well. So just to summarize, that Pacific low is going to very gradually shift inland this week. And so we're going to see an active pattern into the weekend at least, with daily chances for showers and thunderstorms, especially favoring the higher terrain, with much cooler temperatures beginning tomorrow. And that's going to mean highs around 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. And looking ahead to late weekend, another low is expected to reach the coast on Sunday. And so we're looking at a continuation of that active pattern and likely above normal precipitation. Thanks so much for listening. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and we hope you have a wonderful day.